Hi. Today I would like to welcome my very special friend, Jean Bowen, from the Center for Community Resources. Hi, Jean.
Hi, Tricia. Thanks for having me.
Oh, we're so glad that you're with us. Jean is the VITA coordinator, and VITA stands for Volunteer Income Tax Assistance. But before we get into VITA, let's talk a little bit about the CCR, Center for Community Resources. Tell us more about that organization, Jean.
Okay, our primary function is to provide you for resources to better your life. So you have any questions, we have an information and referral line, and that's who you should call. They're the start of it, and then we can get you connected to all kinds of resources.
Right. So the Center for Community Resources is a great organization that connects people to services from intellectual disabilities, mental health, right? And you can go ahead and contact them, and they will connect you. And I know CCR serves a big area.
We have 67 counties, and we like to say we serve you from birth to death because we have early intervention, which is young kids up to age 3, and we have intellectual disability adults,
Right.
Aging waivers, things like that we help out with, that we refer you to.
Right. And the main office is located on the main street of Butler, correct?
It is. It's located at 214 South Main Street, right beside the motorcycle place.
Okay, great. So, Jean, your primary role is VITA. And tell us a little bit more about your role and what VITA is.
Okay, VITA is Voluntary Income Tax Assistance for Low-Income Families. We serve any family that makes $50,000 or less and qualifies in other areas. Your return has to be fairly simple. We will not do like landlords or things like that. So, but we train in the early months before the tax season, and we are all IRS trained and certified. You have to take a test to be able to do this. So If you're coming into our service, or last year we did drop-off pickups, which we're going to try to incorporate again this year with in-person, hopefully. God willing that this pandemic stays the way it is right now and doesn't get any worse, and then we're going to do in person again. So
if a family or an individual makes less than $50,000, they can get their taxes or tax return done by your organization.
Correct.
Okay. How would do they have to make an appointment?
We do have an appointment line. The appointment line is not open right now, of course. It will open the day after Martin Luther King Day. So I believe that's like the 18th of January. And I can give you that number. It's 724-431-3767.
Well, this is a great resource. And I know we're talking about this now because you are in need of volunteers.
Correct. We train volunteers, and we get interns from Slippery Rock University. We have a great relationship with them. And we also get interns from Butler County Community College.
Right. I know one of my former students actually has been working with you. And it's a great opportunity for students who are interested in finance, accounting, to get actual real experience. Great for their resumes.
It looks really good on a resume. We've had interns go to great heights. There's a lot of them working for state agencies and for federal agencies, and we actually have one working trading on Wall Street. So
oh wow, that's wonderful.
Yeah, so it's a great resume builder. I can be a reference for anybody. So it's a great opportunity for you to, even if you're looking to get back into the workforce, it's a great opportunity for you to get some kind of experience in an office and move on.
And if somebody is interested, Jean, in being a volunteer, how would they contact you?
They would contact me, and I'll go into the specifics. We do get training materials from the Internal Revenue Service, so I would go into specifics about that. You need to have a little bit of computer experience and maybe some math background, be able to add and subtract, and we can take it from there. We can teach you to do taxes.
So these volunteers, do they work out of the offices on Main Street?
We actually have 6 offices.
Wow.
So we cover all of Butler County. So if you happen to live, say, on the county line between Worthington and Katanning. We have an office over there. We have an office in Cranberry. We have an office in Slippery Rock. So there's different opportunities.
Yeah, multiple locations that people could work out of. So whatever is most convenient for them.
And we work around everybody's schedule. So,
how many people have you served in the past through VITA?
Oh, we typically, in a non-COVID year, we've done about 2,400 returns.
Wow.
That's a lot of returns.
That's a lot of returns in a short amount of time.
In a short amount of time.
In a short amount of time.
It's about 11 to 12 weeks, depending. And as we know, the IRS has extended them the last couple of years. Sure. But prior to that, it's been about 12 weeks.
So how does it feel for you and your team when you're able to offer this service to others?
It is a great feeling. When you tell somebody that has no idea about their tax return and what they're getting back, and they qualify for credits, and you say you're getting $2,000 back, and they're just in tears because you have helped them so much. It's a great feeling, and I like it because the students get that feeling, sure, or the volunteers get that feeling of really helping someone.
Wow. How long have you been at CCR, Jean?
This will be my 12th tax season.
12th tax season.
So
you must like numbers.
I do like numbers.
Well, Jean, I really appreciate you coming and talking to us about the wonderful service that CCR and VITA offers our community members. Thank you for doing that. And I just want to put a little plug in for Jean because a lot of people don't know, but Jean is also the president of the Butler County chapter of Twilight Wish, which grants wishes to senior citizens right here in Butler County. So you are busy.
I am busy, but I like to be busy.
And she does great work for others. So keep it up, Jean, and thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this episode of the Butler Buzz. If you would like to see more episodes, click on the playlist button up here. If you want to stay up to date with all of Armstrong's programming, click on the subscribe button down here. See you next time.